Ever wondered why your oxalis stays tiny no matter what you do? This little plant has one big secret. Its roots hate being touched. This is one of those plants that absolutely hates being disturbed, especially at the roots. But with the right care, it can grow beautifully and fill out with stunning leaves. Within a week, you'll start seeing delicate vines emerging from the soil. That's your sign it's working. But don't touch the roots yet. Patience is key here. By the third week, those vines will start maturing into full leaves. At this point, you can consider repotting only if necessary. And here's the golden rule: never disturb the bulbs. If you're repotting, gently loosen the soil without pulling or shaking the roots. Then place it into a larger container with fresh, airy soil. And most important thing is to choose a well-draining soil mix that supports bulb growth. If the soil retains too much moisture or compacts too tightly, the bulbs will struggle. I've linked a separate video in the description where I break down my best soil mix for Oxalis. Feel free to check that out. Now, watering, this plant doesn't like to dry out completely. Water it about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on the weather in your area. A consistent moisture level keeps the bulbs active and encourages growth. After repotting, place the plant in a warm spot with bright, indirect light. Oxalis loves light, and this will help it grow fuller and faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GardenArcX for more plant care tips and garden stories.